Hi, I'm Amanda from the Sonoma Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to stop spending all that money at the coffee shop by using this really cool all-in-one machine by DeLonghi, because you can make coffee, espresso, and frothed milk all in one machine. You don't need to clutter your counter with gadgets. It takes up a small, neat little footprint. I love how easy it is to make drip coffee because it has this swing-out compartment where you add the water and the coffee. So really cool in that you're just going to fill up your carafe with how many cups you'd like. Pour that water right in here. Now we're going to add our coffee. For the freshest tasting coffee, you're going to want to grind your beans as close to the time you brew them as possible. Oh, I forgot to show you, there's a great gold tone filter here, so you're not having to use paper filters every time. I'm going to make a big pot here. Just going to put it right back in and turn it on. Okay, let's make some espresso. Just going to put the water in back here. And I love this machine because it's got two separate size filters. You can either do a single espresso or a double. I'm going to do a double. All you want to do is make sure that you tamp this down. Put it right in there and twist, and we'll just turn it on. Maybe my favorite part of this whole thing is the milk frother. It's the newest part of the machine, and I love that you can make a latte or cappuccino right in your own kitchen. To learn more about making great coffee and to learn about this machine that's the combination espresso and drip coffee maker, visit us online at williamssonoma.com.